Welcome to this video featuring real-world examples of using apps on our SmartSYNC platform. We're excited to show you a few examples of how our clients use apps on the SmartSYNC platform to benefit their organizations. We'll cover email marketing tools, online stores, data imports, web forms, donation platforms, student records systems, online hubs, and event booking systems to give you a flavor of the possibilities. Remember to look at our website for a complete list of our apps and a SmartSYNC overview video. This demo video is quite long, so you might want to skip directly to the use cases of interest using the times on this slide or the video navigation. Alternatively, maybe they are all of interest, in which case, just let the video play.
Let's start with one of our most popular apps, Smart Mailchimp. We'll take UWC Atlantic College as our example. They want Ed to use Mailchimp to market to their alumni. Staff at the college already used Mailchimp, and the alumni team was attracted by its simplicity, market-leading features, and integrations. Their alumni data is stored in their central database, Blackboard's iRaiser's Edge NXT. And although it offers an email service, it was not suited to their needs. SmartSYNC stepped in to ensure they could get the best from both worlds. We synchronized contacts along with key properties from their database to Mailchimp, allowing easy segmentation and targeting. We also pushed back subscribers, unsubscribes, invalid emails, member ratings, and statistics to their database. This has allowed the college to send targeted communications to its current and prospective supporters, increasing communication and engagement. Using Mailchimp has also saved database staff time and improved efficiencies across the team, as other staff can now send emails directly from Mailchimp. As a final piece of the puzzle, we provided UWC with our Smart Portal web forms that allow their alumni to tailor their email communications. All the data passes directly into iRaiser's Edge and is then pushed to Mailchimp automatically by SmartSYNC. That's not all. We also support other email marketing applications, including DotDigital, Campaign Monitor, and Sendinblue.
A slightly more complex integration is Smart WooCommerce. WooCommerce is one of the world's most popular online store systems. And MS Trust, who have a lot of online sales, moved to this several years ago. It has all the bells and whistles you expect from online stores and suits their sales of publications, cards, and other merchandise. SmartSYNC worked with their team and web developers to ensure all the financial and personal details from orders were synchronized into their central iRaiser's Edge database. The integration was built to their requirements with order income splits, duplicate checking, delivery addresses, and their fulfillment house needs included. The store has taken thousands of orders, with the information seamlessly arriving in their database even during the busy Christmas period. It has allowed them to reliably work with their fulfillment house to ensure swift order resolution with minimal staff involvement.
We have a built-in data import tool to process data from SFTP, CSV, Excel, SharePoint files, and Google Sheets. You can import data into iRaiser's Edge NXT and CRM using a drag-and-drop interface, built-in data transformations, and dictionaries. A real-world example was working with one of our US-based clients, the Food Bank of Southeastern Virginia and the Eastern Shore. We built a quick import for data they received from an external donation provider. The data contains donor and gift details. Donor information is imported directly to the constituent record gifts via web batches. It was easy to set up, as you can see in the video, which shows the interface we use for Smart Import. The information is loaded using built-in spreadsheets, and SmartSYNC immediately processes it. The Smart Import logs allow for data correction and retries where needed, meaning a resilient import process. We have made similar imports for other clients, including gift aid declarations, actions, and custom field information. More fields are continually added as Blackboard adds features to their databases. Looking at the Smart Import interface, you can drag spreadsheet columns into the import fields, pick from a list of options such as email type, or manually enter values. You can also transform the incoming spreadsheet data with data dictionaries and transformations.
Many online platforms have appeared in recent years. Some of the most noticeable in the alumni sector are Hivebrite and Illuminati. They both provide a way for alumni to log in and interact with each other, whilst providing their latest contact and other details to the organization. Unfortunately, this leads to additional work getting information back into the central alumni database from the hub. We have worked with many clients on this process. One example is Good Enough College. We are pushing updates from Hivebrite into their Raiser's Edge database. They can now access all the information within minutes in Raiser's Edge, including address, email, phone, and professional details. Through this, their communications to alumni go to the correct place, and they can make the most of the advantages a portal such as Hivebrite can provide. One of the key benefits of SmartSYNC is its resilience, as demonstrated recently when the college suffered a synchronization issue with the connection between the services. SmartSYNC recovered seamlessly, ensuring no data loss.
Several clients are using this purpose-built iSAMS integration. We initially built the app with the UWC Atlantic team, then improved it recently with the City of London School. The system synchronizes student records from iSAMS to their central alumni database throughout the pupil's time there. It was crucial in building long-lasting support relationships to start contact as early as possible. Information on the pupil and their key contacts, such as parents and grandparents, is vital. Our solution pushes the information to Raiser's Edge NXT as soon as the pupil joins, and then keeps it updated throughout the years until they graduate. Each school has different ways of approaching this process, but we were able to build a tool that works for all our clients, yet gives them the degree of customization required. We found that our Get You Up and Running service for this solution needed to include consultancy support to align the two systems and avoid duplicate records once the sync was running. We have successfully pushed thousands of records through the system, with many contact detail updates passing each day, thus saving the team time and ensuring the latest information is at their fingertips.
The SAFA team worked with us to integrate several systems, including their email marketing platform, DotDigital. This covered the same basic features as the Mailchimp platform we have discussed. However, they also wanted to integrate some DotDigital web forms. The forms allowed their supporters to apply for spaces on the London Marathon and other volunteering events. The information has to be in their Blackboard CRM database swiftly to enable the event teams to manage the number of places available. We built a real-time sync to push the form data to interactions in their database. We also set up their own SmartSYNC server to support the sync, give them greater control over the processes, and help them cope with their large number of records. Together with other integrations we have built for them, this has saved considerable staff time and improved internal business processes around managing events.
Some final quickfire examples. Although there are a whole host of other use cases, some of which you can see on our website. EventBrite pushes all or selected events to your Blackboard Raiser's Edge NXT database. This includes the purchaser, event, tickets, ticket options, and adding the payment as a gift. The incredibly rich data records in Raiser's Edge NXT can then be analyzed using the built-in tools within the platform. We have successfully run these integrations for small AGM events through to much larger reunions. Smart iRaiser is a recent implementation of a very complex system that pushes data from the client's iRaiser platform into Raiser's Edge. This replaced a manual process that was pulling on staff time and encouraging offline datasheets to be kept. The data now arrives in real time, allowing staff to trust the central database reporting. This is a first foray into automated integrations for the client. They are so encouraged by this, and a couple of other integrations we have completed for them, that they are already discussing more. All the integrations discussed here are pre-built apps powered by the SmartSYNC platform. The platform allows you to build any integration using its modular steps, and our developers are on hand to add features as needed. In other words, there are no limits to the integrations and capabilities we can build out. Finally, SmartSYNC also allows you to automate processes. Some examples include sending an email alert to the fundraiser when a gift over a particular value is received, sending gift digests, and email notifications when a major prospect books onto an event. Again, the system allows a lot of flexibility.
We have only tapped the surface in this video, but look forward to adding more and more use cases over the years. So what are the next steps? You can chat with our team by booking a call on the SmartSYNC webpage, or you can send an email to support@smartthing.org if you can't find the app you wish to integrate on our website. Do get in touch, as our team may have a solution or be able to build one. Thank you for your time today. Our team look forward to working with you in the near future.